So today we are chatting how to keep your curls intact all day and all night long. So anybody can follow these steps. First things first is we are going to curl the hair. I like to use a 1.25 inch curling one just to give a nice kind of bounce, big curl. I don't like really tight curls, but if you do, that's totally up to you. So once you've curled your hair and you kind of have all your curls how you want them, you are going to let it fully set. So if you touch your hair, you should not feel any warmth or anything from the heat tools that you have used. With that said, it's very important to use a heat protecting spray. This is the one from Cloud9 Hot Shapes, and a couple reasons I love this is A, because it's going to save my hair from all the heat products that I like to use. A hair dryer, curling iron, straightener, you name it, I probably use it. So this is an awesome product. Second of all, I like that this is not going to weigh my hair down. So I have tried so many heat sprays in the past that have weighed the root down and I've just lost all volume, and this one is not that way. So it is just a very lightweight but overly protective spray that is awesome if you use heat tools. And if you're watching this, you probably do. So that is an awesome product. Second of all, you're going to let those curls fully cool once again, and once you do, I've got kind of a secret little hairspray cocktail that I like to use to keep these curls in place. So for me personally, I like to use very lightweight, light hold hairspray. My hair does hold curl well, so if you're the opposite, you might want to switch these steps, but either way, it's personal preference and totally up to you. These are both really great products. So I like to keep the curls still fully intact. Do not brush them, do not comb them, do not run your fingers through them, nothing. You want them to still be fully intact, just as if they came slid off the curling wand or curling iron. So I go in first with this very lightweight hairspray from DevaCurl. It's their flexible hold hairspray touchable finishing styler, and that's exactly what I like to use. I also like that this does add a little bit of shine, and so what I like to do is really just get in there and kind of lift the roots as I'm spraying, because that's going to give you some additional volume. And same thing over on this side, and you're just going to set those curls and feel free to kind of bounce from the bottom. It's really important that you want to spray kind of up into the hair and not like a helmet on top, because we want, you know, life in the curls and life in the hair and body. Next, I like to use this Super Shape hairspray. This one is much stronger hold, but it's great to follow up with because it's really just going to lock that style in. So you're going to layer the light hold with the strong hold, and it's just these two are the perfect combo. I love these, and your curls will stay all day and all night long. I don't care where you're going, they're going to last. So I'm not going to use quite as much of the strong hold because, again, I personally like a very lightweight and light hold spray. Another trick that I really like to use is taking a rat tail comb like this and taking a strong hold hairspray and just spraying the teeth on the comb, and it's a perfect tool to comb down any flyaways. I always get them right here in the front, so it's a great way to also just kind of give the finishing touch to your hair. If you're doing an updo, also a great way to just make the front nice and sleek and stay in place. So now, once the hairspray has fully set, we have got our curls almost ready to go. Everything is nice and in place. And we're just going to lightly brush the ends out. And that way, you can't even tell we have any hairspray in, but you're still getting that nice long hold. So that is it. And now your curls are going to last all day and all night long. Bye.